Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add numbering in Microsoft Excel. So how to add numbering in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Here I will tell you 5 ways to add numbering in Microsoft Excel. For the first method, tap on the first column. Type 1. And type 2 in column 2. Type 3 in column 3. Well, this method will take a long time. So block columns 1, 2, and 3. Tap the arrow and drag down to add numbering down until the number needed. Here I choose up to 25. The second method. Type 1 in the first column. Tap on the keyboard. Control. And drag down to add numbering down until the number needed. Here I choose up to 25. The third way. Type 1 in the first column. In the second column, type equals. Tap column 1. Click plus. Type 1. And enter. Tap the arrow and drag down to add numbering down until the number needed. Here I choose up to 25. The fourth way. Type 1 in the first column. Move the cursor to the top and select Fill. And a menu of options will appear. Select Series. For this series, change it to columns. And step value. Enter the initial number. Here I enter the number 1. And the stop value is the last number, enter 25. And finally tap OK. The last way. Here using the rows formula. In the first table, type equals. Type rows. Type open parenthesis and type close parenthesis. Tap enter. And block and drag down to sort. Now here start from 2. To start from 1. Tap formula. Type minus. Type 1. Tap enter. And block and drag down to sort. So that's it. Tutorial how to add numbering in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.